The first group is the single individuals. I was going to say for us that are single, but I'm still married, happily married. I am happily married. Actually, my wife and I are getting ready to celebrate our 37th wedding anniversary, so I'm happily married. Thank you. But for single individuals, you don't have an A and a B trust, and so there's really not a tax strategy. So there's not a tax strategy that needs to be changed from your trust. For married couples without an AB trust, and I'm going to explain the AB, I'm going to go into more detail in a second, but let's assume that Gail and I own our assets, and at my passing, I did not require in our trust that anything get put into an irrevocable trust. My trust simply says, at my death, everything I own goes directly to Gail. That's what I mean by without an AB trust, because at my death, there's no irrevocable trust that gets set up. Everything just goes directly to Gail. So if I have that type of trust, there was no tax strategy before, I don't need to change it. For married couples with an estate above $5.2 million, I have clients that have $10, $15, $20 million. Their AB trust is still the right strategy. And there's a group of our clients that have the A and the B trust, but they set up their A and the B trust not strictly for tax reasons. And give you an example, let's assume that Gail and I have children from different marriages. I pass away, I want my assets to be able to be used by Gail, but when she dies, I don't want my assets to go to her brats. I want them to go to my sweet, loving children. So I can set it up with an AB trust so that at my passing, mine goes into the B trust. Gail gets the lifetime benefit, but when she dies, I get to control where my assets go back to my children.